The last note. In the small town of Melodia, music was more than just sound. It was a way of life. Every year, the townspeople held a grand festival celebrating their love for melodies. Among them was a young woman named Clara, known for her enchanting violin skills. She dreamed of performing at the festival, but her shyness often held her back. As the festival approached, Clara practiced day and night in her tiny room. The notes flowed from her violin like a gentle stream, but when she thought about playing in front of an audience, her heart raced. What if I make a mistake? She worried. One evening, while walking through the town square, Clara noticed a group of musicians playing together. Their joy was infectious, and the crowd danced along, lost in the music. Inspired, Clara decided she would join the festival, not only for herself, but to share the magic of music with others. On the day of the festival, Clara stood backstage, clutching her violin. As her turn approached, she took a deep breath and stepped into the spotlight. The crowd grew silent, and Clara felt her nerves bubble up. But as she began to play, she felt the music wrap around her like a warm embrace. The melody flowed through her, and Clara lost herself in the moment. With every note, her confidence grew, and soon the crowd erupted in applause. When she finished, Clara realized that music was not just about perfection. It was about connection, joy, and sharing a piece of one's soul. From that day on, Clara became a celebrated musician in Melodia, inspiring others to find their voices and embrace the power of music.